Okay, so that last game was a fluke, and we get to 1200. I probably could have got some pretty good points if I was able to win that game. So we're gonna get right back in this pool. It's a 15 plus 10 game. Chess.com. Man, they playing these stupid openings. Fuck is that? They knight up, knight f6. Yeah. What is this? All right. Um, I'm gonna go e6. I don't know this line. I like I'm a novice chess player, so when people make moves like the openings with white, like c4 and f4 and these weird openings, I don't. They're not weird. I'm just not familiar with them. I'm gonna go with e6, d5. May go bishop to b4. See, what the fuck? Now see, I'm supposed to take advantage of this somehow. Striking in the center right now, but I'm just no. I know what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna play a gambit. No, because he's gonna take with that. He's gonna take with his knight. Um, bishop to b4. Um, what happened? d5. Take, take, bishop g2. d6. d5. Take, take. I didn't want him to get this involved immediately. I would say something like, I don't know, this. You went here, and I would have to trade off my dark square bishop, my strong bishop, for this knight on c3. Give him the bishop pair in 4 moves. I'm gonna convert over to this. Yeah, see, so he's 1179. I usually don't like to look at my opponent's rating. That's why I have my board set to automatically go into focus mode when my games start, because I generally don't like to see what my opponent's rating is. He's 1179, so we're fairly equal here. Um, why can't I just take that pawn? What is this? I'm not taking that pawn. Think about bishop to bishop to b4. The opening is yeah, I'm going bishop to b4. Get ready to castle. And if he plays something like a3, then I'm just gonna take that knight. Oh, that's giving me helping me develop. Now, I am a fairly decent chess player. Let's see here. What if I take here? What if I take, take. I don't know what he's doing. Gave me a pawn, or I got a pawn back, or whatever this position is. Once I castle, I'll be able to get my rook in on e8. Also, he can't move the d pawn. I mean, yeah, he can, cause then he can take on. I think I should get castle here. I think too long about it. I don't see anything else. He's gonna castle next. I, what does this do? This gonna castle. I almost just gave away a pawn. If y'all noticed that, I don't know why I was even entertaining d4. The d4 runs into uh, knight takes on d4. Now we have to take back with the queen. Okay. Rook e8 comes to mind. I think my knight on c6 is misplaced, blocking my c pawn. Okay. Big threat. Not a big threat, but oh my god. I did not try to do it. Now I got the I go I guess it's okay, yeah. I guess that's a better move. No, because I just okay, that's it. Yeah. I didn't try to do that. See if I can fix it. just feel like I'm better here. He's not castle. I got. Look how my look at my position. The the bishop and the knight. There's something wrong with this. I know it is. However, like I stated, I'm a novice chess player. I'm I've never had any chess classes. I've never had a chess instructor. I've never had any chess lessons. I'm 100% self-taught. So if y'all see any deficiencies in my game, that's why. I know enough. I've taught myself enough about chess to uh, to enjoy it. I truly enjoy playing chess. Now, taking on d4, you can't take my bishop because my knight can jump into c2. Nasty fork for the queen. I don't see any in between checks he has, so I'm gonna go with this. See what happens. Most likely, I mean, I hope he don't. I mean, I hope he see that he can't take on b4. But if he does, hey, thank you for the game. I really want to improve my chess game, but I'm a truck driver, and yeah, see, you see how we the same rating. We both have the same rating, but how does he not see this? How does he not? How do you not see that? I mean, it's a family four. This is a family four. So let's get to it. Picking up the queen. There you go. And that's the game.